Hi guys, in this lesson you are going to learn about shell variables. So what is a shell variable? It offers a powerful way to store and later access or modify information such as numbers, character strings, and other data structures by name. Let's look at some basic examples to get an idea. So we can say first name. So this will be the variable name. To provide the value, we can put the equal symbol here, but if you put space, it will not work. Right after the variable name, you have to put equal symbol, then the value. You can just enter some value here. This is my first name. So I can press enter now, so that shell variable will be created. Okay. So to access that variable, I can use echo and dollar symbol. This dollar symbol is used to mention we are going to access a variable named following. For example, first name. We are going to access first name variable and echo will print its value. So I'm going to run this now. So we got Ashin printed. So as you can see, if you put first name equals then space then the value, you will see it will end up with the error. That because you have to enter the variable, shell variable name and equal symbol, and right after the equal symbol, you have to start typing the value. Okay. Using the echo command along with the special character dollar in front of the variable name to extract its value, which is the string Ashin. This is the most basic way to create a shell variable and assign it to a value all in one step. Finally, we are going to see how we can read a user input into a shell variable at the command line. It is another way to create a shell variable using the read command. We can say the variable name that we will use for the value. In this case, I can enter last name as the variable name. So I can enter my last name here and press enter. Now my last name variable is created. I can access that by saying echo dollar last name. Okay, one thing to note, if we enter our last name including another one by providing space, for example Shankar Costa, so it will end up with a no error. But if we use this way by saying last name is equals to Ishanka space Costa, it will end up with error. That because we have to explicitly say that is a space there. How we can say that? We can put this backslash and space to specify there's a space and the next word. Now it will be okay. We can print that using echo last name. Okay. So we don't have to do this way if we just say read and get the last name from user as follows. Okay. Now that is it. Finally, if you want to print multiple variables using the echo, you can do as following. Echo dollar, then first name, and finally we can put the next one by using dollar and last name. So Ashin Nishanka Costa has printed. Now you can see after the first name there's a space because it has ability to add a space after a one variable value. For example, if I print echo first name only, as you can see there are no such spaces, but when we use echo first name and after that last name, we got another space between these two. To confirm that, I am going to print last name and after that first name. We should able to see a space after this Costa. Okay. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.